What up, GioVentures? I live my life a quarter mile at a time. And for those 10 seconds, nothing else matters.
GioVentures.
Hey guys, today let's unbox the Anki Overdrive Fast and Furious edition. Let's open it. Hey guys, the instructions say to put the cars on the charger. For charging up. Next up, download the Anki Overdrive app. Got it. Hey guys, the car's lights are solid green. Now let's build a track. And that is step 3, see? So there are 5 bags. 3 curved piece bags and then 2 straight piece bags. So let's get started. Hey guys, we moved the table away so that way we can make a bigger and cooler track. Let's do this. Hey guys, I'm done building the track. Now let's add some guardrails. The reason we need these is because so when they do the turns, they don't fall off the track. Hey guys, now that we connected the car to the app, now let's do a run test from the phone to the real track. How did it do that? Whew. That is so cool. Hey guys, so there's a speed limit right here, and the brake button is right here, and this is the gun button, and here's the brake. See? Beep, it stops, and you can make it go faster. And if you turn it, it'll switch lanes. See? That's how the track works. And then whoever makes it first wins. So I guess it's really simple. Hey guys, let's build a bigger and better track. Hey guys, I'm gonna be racing my dad. And we're gonna have a match and we're gonna see who wins.
Race begins in 3, 2, 1. You have taken the lead.
I went super fast.
You have taken the lead.
Woohoo! Wow! Right.
You are the winner.
Oh guys, I won. So guys, when it wins, it does a victory lap. It doesn't matter if you win by an inch or a mile.
Winning's winning.
Hey guys, you can also play as one player against a computer. And that's what I'm going to do right now. Begin a match. Okay.
Race begins in 3, 2, 1.
Okay, guys.
Oh yeah! This is cool!
Punch it! Thanks, guys. All right, formation.
5 laps remain.
I go down, I do time, I do real time. When I see flashing lights in my mirror, I don't.
You are the leader.
Hey guys, I won! I won against the computer! I'm the winner! Yes! So guys, here it is. I was playing against the computer and I am the winner. This is first place. I'm first place. That's how you do it, baby! Yeah. Hey guys, what do you think of the Anki Overdrive Fast and Furious edition? Leave a comment down below. Thanks for watching. Hit that subscribe button. See ya. Let's get back to racing.